Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to see your WhatsApp group online member. So let's see. First of all, open your WhatsApp app, tap on your WhatsApp group. First of all, send a message or emoji. Suppose now I am sending hello everyone. Okay, and long press the message. Here you can see I button, click on it. Here you can see the online group member. I hope you understand. By this way, you can easily see your WhatsApp group member is active. Thank you so much. Stay connected for more updates. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.